Welcome to a Tartan Zebra creativity workshop. Today we are going to draw a cityscape using 3-point perspective. So grab a straight edge or a ruler, a sharp pencil and an eraser, and let's begin. Today the artwork is going to be drawn by a 13-year-old student. So here you can see they're putting down their 3 points of perspective or vanishing points. And they're going to start by drawing a tower block in the middle of the page. All the lines that would be vertical in a normal cityscape will go down to the base vanishing point. So you can see that line on the side is starting to slope. All the horizontal lines on an ordinary building, which go to the left, will go to the left-hand side vanishing point, and the same on the right. And now you can see this block is starting to be built. Expertly drawn, student. Wonderful. So there's our first block, and as you can see, it almost looks like it's looming out of the ground. Let's try another building on the left-hand side. Again, using the base vanishing point for what would be verticals, and lines that need to go back to the right-hand side might show the top of the building like a ceiling or a rooftop. We're going to speed the video up now, just using that same recipe of using the 3 vanishing points to start to draw the city. And as long as you use that recipe, you can draw a building anywhere on the page, or even a road system or a pavement. You can see it's almost like you're looking over the top of a city from a drone. So watch the city be built, and I'll come back and say a little bit more later. Okay, so my student has now finished the outlines of all the buildings, and what they're going to do now is start to add some decorative interest, like panes of glass on a tower block, using the bottom vanishing point for the verticals, both sides of the block, and then using for the right hand side of the block for the layers of the building, using the right hand vanishing point. And obviously the same again will be on the left hand side of the building, and as you can see, it starts to look a little bit more realistic. Now it will be up to you what details you add to your cityscape. I'm not going to determine that for you, but watching the rest of this video should give you some ideas. I really hope you have had success with this technique and you're becoming a master of perspective drawing.